Welcome to Érudit's platform research tutorial. You can first try a simple search using keywords in the search box, like so. If your search has returned too many results or not enough, you can modify your original query to get more relevant results. The advanced search feature allows you to add research criteria by using more than one box for complex ideas. Don't forget to add Boolean operators to link multiple search boxes together. You can also choose the field in which the search will take place, like so. Add some filters to narrow your search, like choosing a language or a discipline. If you have too many irrelevant results, try adding more keywords or filters using the options on the left. Conversely, if you do not have enough results, try removing keywords or filters from your query. Don't forget to sort the results depending on your needs, either by relevance, title, author, or publication date. Once you're satisfied with the results, save your query to easily find it again in your saved search history, where you can also delete it or run it again. When you find an interesting article, click on the title to access it. You can read the article online or download the PDF version if it's available. Don't forget to use the citation tools to export the record and the share options to share the article by email or through social media. Have a good search!